Welcome back to Future Gear Unboxed, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated devices of the year, the Vivo iQOO 12. From its head-turning design to jaw-dropping performance, this smartphone is here to redefine what a flagship killer truly means. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the Vivo iQOO 12 screams premium. Along with the phone, you get a 120W fast charger, a USB-C cable, and a transparent protective case. Because Vivo knows you'll want to show off this beauty. Holding the device for the first time, you immediately feel its premium build. The glossy white finish on the back panel is stunning, and the design language is bold yet elegant. Back panel and camera design. Now let's take a closer look at this design. The boxy rectangular camera module is placed on the top left corner and has this sleek black finish with rounded edges. Inside the module, you have three lenses, two large ones aligned vertically and a smaller one below. The BMW M Series stripes and iQOO branding below the camera module, absolute perfection. It adds a sporty vibe to the otherwise sleek design. This phone doesn't just look good, it stands out. 6.78-inch AMOLED panel that's a feast for the eyes. With a 120W refresh rate, HDR12 Plus support, and ultra slime bezels, the Vivo iQOO 12 delivers one of the best viewing experiences in its class. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through Instagram, this display is buttery smooth and vibrant. And under the hood, the Vivo iQOO 12 is a true powerhouse. It's packing the latest Snapdragon 8G G3 processor, up to 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage. But humble as it is, I finally truly appreciate it, and I will take my time. Gaming? Oh, this phone was built for it. Whether it's Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile, the performance is flawless thanks to Vivo's liquid cooling system. And with a 5000 mAh battery paired with 120W fast charging, you can juice it up to 100% in just around 20 minutes. No interruptions, just pure performance. Camera excellence. Now let's talk cameras. The Vivo iQOO 12 features a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, ensuring you get sharp and detailed shots even in low light. The iQOO 12, the 50MP ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes with stunning clarity, while the third lens offers 2x telephoto zoom for those perfect close-ups. And for video creators, there's 4K video recording with ultra-stable mode, making shaky footage a thing of the past. So, if you're not already updating your website profile, why wait? Schedule your free creative recording with ultra-stable mode, making shaky footage a thing of the past. Software and features. On the software front, it runs Android 14 with Vivo's custom iQOO UI. It's clean, fast, and packed with smart features. Add to that stereo speakers for immersive sound, 5G connectivity, and an in-exploit fingerprint sensor that unlocks in a flash. It's a complete package. With pricing. So, how much does this beauty cost? The Vivo iQOO, the wireless capsule roller and active garment allow you to change the way you brush, which will improve truly thought-provoking results. If you're asking yourself, is it really that expensive? I think you'll find the answer. Vivo iQOO starts at just $699. At this price, you're getting a device that's not pricey. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, design, and cutting-edge tech, the Vivo iQOO 12 is hands down one of the best choices in 2025. This is more than a flagship killer, it's the flagship to beat. That's it for today's unboxing and review. What do you think about the Vivo iQOO 12? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Gear Unboxed for more epic tech content. See you in the next one.